Hey, and welcome to Eat Out at Home, the podcast. This is the place for those who love cooking and creating connections through food. I'm your host, Chef Evelyn, and on this podcast, I share with you my favorite tips and tricks for enjoying life one bite at a time. If you're ready for today's episode, sit back, relax, grab a snack, and let's dive in. Hey, it is Chef Evelyn, and welcome back to a new season of Eat Out at Home, the podcast. We are going to be coming back with a whole new season starting in March of 2026. But before we jump into that, I wanted to let you know that I am hosting a complimentary masterclass called How to Eat Out at Home Consistently with Ease and Not Exhaustion. And I'm going to be hosting it on Wednesday, February 25th. So all the details, if you want to join the masterclass, will be in the show notes or in the description box under this video. So this is for you if you fall into one of the following categories. One, let's say you eat most of your meals out, but you want to cook at home. You rarely cook at home because it just seems so overwhelming and exhausting. Two, let's say you cook at home, but you're not really consistent and you want to smooth that out and you want to be more consistent with cooking most of your meals at home. Three, and this is probably the best group of people right here because this is the camp that I have found myself in. And if you're listening to a podcast about food, you might fall into this category, which is you cook at home pretty consistently, but it feels like a chore and you already know the benefits of cooking at home, but you want a way to make it easier, less overwhelming, less time consuming, less stressful, all of that kind of stuff. And then this complimentary training might also be for you if you're someone where you're cooking at home consistently. It doesn't really feel like a chore anymore, but you're starting to get bored. Like you've got the cooking at home down to a science, but you want more. So if you find yourself or anyone you know in any of those categories, I invite you to register for the complimentary masterclass. I'm so excited about it. I've got some great things coming for 2026. We took an extended hiatus to really get focused and really make sure that we're going to be bringing you things that are super helpful to make cooking at home easy, efficient, and enjoyable for you. I'm so excited. So listen, I hope to see you there. Share it with a friend or two. And also mark your calendars because once spring hits, we're going to be kicking off a brand new season of Eat Out at Home podcast. And I've got lots of juicy topics that I want to talk to you about. So I look forward to seeing you then. And I'll see you on Wednesday, February the 25th. Thank you so much for listening. If you're ready to start cooking at home consistently, make sure you join the Eat Out at Home challenge. Visit chefevelyn.com/challenge for all of the details. If you're curious about what I'm cooking in between episodes, make sure to give me a follow on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook for some delicious behind the scenes. And if you enjoyed this episode, please head on over to Apple Podcasts and Spotify to leave us a review. Remember, eating out at home allows you to cook better, eat healthier, save money, and create community. And most importantly, cooking at home is the ultimate form of self-care. I'll see you in the next episode.